Welcome back to the Sailrite Workbench. My name is Corbin McIntyre and I'm the new leather content specialist here on the channel. I'm super excited to be in this role and to be able to share my love for leather crafting with you guys and go through some cool projects with everyone. And the team here is hard at work working on the leather workshop studio that we have, and it's really coming together really nicely. We got some cool projects coming down the pipeline and I'm really excited for you all to join along with us and watch those videos and maybe try leather crafting out for yourself. And for our longtime viewers, don't worry, this won't become a leather only channel. You'll still see our canvas work, upholstery, bag making, and the other type of content that we've been having on the channel for years now. We're just going to add some leather working projects into the mix to highlight all of the leather and leather tools that Sailrite has to offer. So a little bit of background about me. I grew up in a town called Lake Charles, Louisiana, and went to school in Ruston, Louisiana. And that's actually when I started doing leather crafting. That was about 5.5 years ago now. And I remember my first project was actually rebinding a book with a leather cover. And I started off with an X-Acto knife, a 12-inch ruler, and the shelf that was in my dorm as my cutting board. And I ordered a swatch of leather off of eBay and just tried to figure things out on my own. And first project was obviously a bit sloppy, but I realized that it was something I had a lot of fun doing. And then that transformed into doing some custom patches for hats for some friends. And then just word of mouth kind of spread, and then I started getting some friends and family orders and started making a little bit of extra money off of it, buying new tools, things like that, just kind of immersing myself into the world of leathercraft and building up my passion for it. Flash forward a couple years and then it became more of a real business. So I've been doing leatherworking professionally for a little over 2.5 years now. So that just goes to show that no matter where you're at, whether you're confined to space or budget or time, that there's a starting point for anyone in leather crafting. And now I'm excited to join the Sailrite team and to be able to continue my skill and my love for leather crafting and share that with you and hopefully inspire you to maybe give it a try for yourself, because it is really something that has just brought a lot of fulfillment to my life, and it's a great way to spend my free time and to make things that I use every day and can really enjoy. Some of my favorite leather projects that I've worked on over the years are things like guitar straps and belts. I'm a big boot nerd, so every time I get a new pair of boots, I've got to make a belt to match those, just kind of the way my brain works, so I really enjoy that. And I've made a wide range of things from beginner to more advanced level, whether it's something like a small keychain all the way up to a duffel bag with complex gussets and zippers and pockets. And that's also what you can expect from the channel, is to see a wide range of things, whether it's something simple or more advanced. We're going to try to cover projects that beginners can do or even advanced craftsmen can do as well. So let me know in the comments what kind of projects you want to see us work on here on the channel, or if you have any questions on the leather working process or any of the tools or leather that Sailrite has to offer. Because ultimately, at the end of the day, we want to make content that is valuable to you and entertaining to you. So we want to listen to our audience and make projects that you really enjoy. So I'm super excited to join this channel and bring you guys some leather working projects. If you think leather working might be something that interests you and you'd want to give it a try, go ahead and subscribe to this channel to see all of the content that we're going to be coming out with. I think you're really going to like the leather workshop studio we're working on, and I'm excited to get started.